Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaki Mubarak, number ID 48. I will present my work review the journal. Journal Identity. Title of the article: The Development of Inquiry by Using Android System-based chemistry board game to improve learning outcome and critical thinking ability. Title of the journal: Indonesian IP Education Journal. Author S. Wardani, L. Lindawati, SBY Kusuma. Year of published October. Short: Catwalk, Chemistry Board Game, Inquiry, Critical Thinking, Learning Outcomes. Review of content: Abstract, Introduction, Methods, Result and Discussion, Conclusion, Strength and Weakness, Suggestion. Abstract: the article discussion the development of inquiry using an Android-based chemistry board game, where in the 21st century most students use their spare time to play Android games. Students are more challenged with difficulties in playing games than facing difficulties in understanding the lesson. This phenomenon is the background for researchers to develop a game that has the essence of the subject matter, namely the chemistry board game CBG, which is used to improve cognitive learning and critical thinking. CBG media conducts an assessment of critical thinking. In addition, it also aims to evaluate the response of students in learning chemistry through the topic of fruit alkane derivatives. This game development was adapted for the game development procedure in the form of a mobile 3D presentation. Introduce the 21st century is a scientific age where information is scattered and technology develops. This condition requires students to learn how to communicate, cooperate, and solve problems with people all over the world. Students have 7 survival skills, including critical thinking and problem solving, leadership and cooperation, agility and adaptation, full initiative and entrepreneurial attitude, the ability to communicate effectively both orally and in writing, easy access to information and analysis of information, imagination and courage. Full mastery of the 21st century in support by student critical thinking skill, so that several students have been conducted in the development of educational games to support the teaching of basic skill. Game-based learning describes an environment that contains game material and game of knowledge and skill to get a score, where this game activity involves problem solving skill and challenge to students with little disappointment. Method: preliminary research was carried out in the early stage of research by conducting observation and interview with teacher and student, and will of school management, especially the principle of the curriculum field. After developing an interactive media development design that has been valid by expert, the researcher conducted a small scale test and a large scale test. Method: data collection and instrument. Result and discussion. Result of validation problem test trial table. Testing result table of testing result table. Test result table of the test result. Mm, the from the data is now the inquiry running using CBG games and student assistant worksheet will develop student critical thinking skill on a scale that is good. Is term of rectangular indicator of critical thinking skill, namely focus question determining action among the four indicators. Students have balanced ability and achievement by the difference in score between indicators that are not much difference. Conclusion: testing the validity of interaction media for Android-based CBG games on open material derived from Alcanis, resulting in a very valid theory for all this, including material feasibility, liquid, visual communication design, and learning design. CBG game media improve critical thinking skill of students in the critical category as evident by observation that show of scale of the outcome cultural. CBG game media can improve student conceptual understanding and facial in improve material of Alkane they prepare so that students don't get bored as in intern and become something to extend to be more active learning. Strike 1. This article is very good as explaining the tiger of result to option result. 2. This journal provides a solution so that chemistry learning is not tedious but it can turn out to be interesting and challenging for students. 3. Complete in describing topic and data, processing test data until correction and improvement. 4. Ability to open mind by providing new insight about the influence of technically in teaching students of understanding learner material by thinking critical while playing. Weakness. The article does not provide information about the research inhibiting factors that are useful to explain the weakness of this study, so that it can be referred by further researchers. 2. The journal does not explain how to create or feature the entire application, so it is difficult for researchers or order to compare it with new application made by education researcher. 3. The journal only explains game-based learning on comprehension material on while the calculation material does not share. Suggestion: it better if the journal also explains about a common chemistry learning material calculation that make inference for students to have developed a more interacting chemistry lesson, so that is it not boring with education game-based learning. Reference. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.